Welcome to iIntelligence Site. Dear friends, today let us see how to pay EB bill online. This Tamil Nadu Electricity Board bill online. Okay, just go to TangentGo. Actually, this application has to be installed from Play Store. Once you install TangentGo application from Play Store, after that you can pay. Let us see the procedure how I am paying from the TangentGo app from my mobile. Just go to TangentGo. You need to enter the 4-digit PIN. Okay, you need to enter the 4-digit PIN for this 1 minute. Yes. Okay, I have entered the PIN. Now check for the bills. So after selecting the particular person, the consumer number, bill month and year January 2021, CC charges, current consumption charges 1130. So choose payment, click that. Now it is asking for the payment method, credit, debit, net banking, whatever it is. I am selecting net banking. Which bank? It's asking for the bank. I have ICICI Bank. I am confirming the payment. Now I have to click this. I have read the about terms and conditions and agree to pay. Click make payment. Payment to ICICI Bank. You need to enter the user ID or the registered mobile number. I am entering the user ID. Okay. Now you have to click it, login. That is loading. Now click you can give the remarks. Then you need to enter the authorization password. Okay. So it may have come to my mobile. Just wait. This is the authorization password 039956. 039956. Now click pay. So your payment is successful. Payment success. You can give the receipt. You can also share the receipt. Right. This is a process how to pay EB bill. To use TangentGo application in mobile and pay our EB bills online. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching.